Kaya hindi na ito parte sa kaso. At maintindihan nyo lahat ito ngayon sa harapan ko. Kayo nakikinig. It has been the policy of the Philippine government under any administration, from Cory Aquino to Ramos to Estrada, GMA, lahat hanggang kay BBM, that if there's a Filipino that is arrested, detained, tried, and even convicted, it is the policy of government to extend all necessary assistance to bring that Filipino back home. Yan. Let's talk about Sara Balabagan during the time of Ramos, and even the six who were charged with espionage in China, or the 16 or 13 people who were charged with illegal assembly in some Middle Eastern country. I forgot now. Or even recently, sino? Sara Veloso,
Mary Jane.
Mary
po.
Grace,
Mary Jane.
Mary Jane Veloso, who was already convicted for drug-related case. In fairness, to the credit of the BBM administration, she was brought home. That's the whole point of this. That's the whole point of this whole experience. Yun yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo lahat. Hindi lang dun sa audience nyo. Kayo dito nakikinig.
That's the reason why I'm
That's the
here.
reason why talagang nakakadispaya at the very least that this government has brought a Filipino who was already in the Philippines to try it outside for whatever reason, because that is against the policy of the Philippine government under any administration.